Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create spooky animated tags for your Instagram stories. So if you want to create a Halloween Instagram stories with the spooky tags animations, you can just use these new features on Instagram. So let's just start by opening the Instagram app, and in here you can just go to the Instagram story camera, click on this plus icon. Now you can use your background or any photos that you want. So for example, I'm going to use this as the background, and to create the spooky animated tags, you can just go to tags by clicking on this AA options at the top, and then just write the tags that you want. I'm going to just go with Happy Halloween, and you can just change the font. Just swipe to the right until you find the Halloween font option. So this is a special font for Halloween, so you can use this Happy Halloween. If you cannot find this font on your Instagram, you can try to update the Instagram app first, or try clearing the cache of Instagram on your phone. And in here you can change the style to how you like it, and you can also change the color of the tags. You can go click on these color options. For example, I'm going to go with this red color. You can also add effects like this, and also you can add animation. So to make it spookier, you can just go click on this option and add the haunted animation like this. So the text will become like this, like a flying ghost text. Here you can always adjust the size, and you can click on done after that and put the tags to anywhere you like. If you want to create another tag, you can click on the AA again and do or repeat the same steps like this. You can change the color again and change the style to how you like it. Let's just go with the red color again. Don't forget to add the haunted animation. So this will be the final result. You can just modify it to how you like it, but that's basically all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.